Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in portrait mode, so open the camera app now. If it's locked, swipe left from the lock screen. Make sure portrait is selected because it enables depth effects and the 2x zoom toggle for tighter framing. Tap your subject to set focus and exposure. Hold briefly to lock AE/AF. This stabilizes brightness and depth mapping. Once done, position at the recommended distance shown on screen. The camera will indicate when the depth effect is optimal. Now refine zoom and composition. Tap 2x to use the telelens for tighter portraits, or pinch to smoothly adjust between 1x and 2x for precise framing because the iPhone blends data for better image quality. Make sure you don't overzoom beyond 2x. Digital zoom degrades detail. As you change zoom, check the depth blur preview, and if the camera refocused, tap and hold to relock AE/AF so exposure and depth remain consistent through your shot. Finish by taking the shot and then open the preview to fine-tune portrait lighting and depth control slider for background blur. You can change bokeh intensity after capture, which preserves flexibility. If the blur or subject separation looks incorrect, make sure you're within the app's recommended distance and toggle portrait off and on to reset depth mapping. If zoom buttons won't respond, force close camera or restart the phone, and make sure iOS is up to date to avoid known software-related zoom issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.